Genius comes in many different forms, and the best kind makes our lives easy. To appreciate that kind of functional creativity, I found some amazing tools that are on another level. This is not a drill. Join me as I take you through these tools and tell you why I found them to be on another level. Mini Water Tap Turbine. Starting us off is Jasper Pew's Mini Water Tap Turbine. Have you ever used a tap with low water pressure? Well, this 3D printed mini tap turbine, whose design was based on a cross-flow turbine, is the solution to that problem. Its function is to improve low water pressure in taps by concentrating the flow of water and releasing it as a faster stream. To use it, attach it to the mouth of the tap, and as the turbine spins, the water pressure improves. If water pressure has never been a problem in your area, then this is a great tool to have in your travel bag, just in case your travel destination's water pressure needs a little extra help. Chopper One Axe. You better be ready for another exceptionally functional axe because it exists. The Chopper One axe helps you easily split the wood with every strike. Its specially engineered axe head has rotating levels that use the energy exerted when striking the wood to push outwards, ensuring that it splits down the middle every time. Unlike a regular axe, with this one, the probability of hitting the same spot multiple times to get a thick log to split is significantly reduced. It's a great tool to show off and earn survival skill points, even if you're a first-timer. Reaper Wheels. Speaking of traveling, next we have the Reaper Wheels. These wheels are on a totally different level and will transform your normal ice buggy into a death trap and something from a horror movie. The Reaper Wheels allow you to travel on ice without slipping like ordinary wheels. These wheels are made entirely out of metal spikes that are supposed to give the ice buggy a better grip on ice. Not sure how many people would want to transform their vehicles like this, so it's a good thing they're removable. One thing is for sure though, if I ever visit Antarctica, these are coming with me. eFox Professional Cordless Tile Beater. From the wheels of death to a more practical tool. The eFox Professional Cordless Vibrator Tile Beater is a tool used to eliminate air bubbles that may be trapped below tile slabs once installed. Why do we need it, you may ask? Well, if bubbles aren't removed when the adhesive sets, the air will create a vacuum that may cause cracks in the future. Now that we've established its importance, let's take a closer look at the tool itself. The eFox Professional Cordless Vibrator Tile Beater has multiple handles and an adjustable vibrating area to cater to both big and small surfaces. On a single charge, the battery can work on 150 to 200 square meters and has a guaranteed battery life of up to 100,000 square meters. Now that's a lot of safe tiles. Brush Grubber Extreme. Moving along, next is the Brush Grubber Extreme tool. Using its toothed claws, the Brush Grubber Extreme tool easily pulls shallow-rooted trees up to 6 inches in diameter from the ground to eliminate regrowth. It has 2 large total gripping teeth per pad and spring-loaded jaws to ensure a strong and secure hold. The jaws open wide to handle bigger trees, and the grip pads rotate 360 degrees to help avoid debarking. This powerful tool can be operated by one person. It can attach to any ATV, pickup, or lawn tractor to provide the pulling force. The Brush Grubber Extreme tool has surely taken derooting trees to another level and made it any man's sport. Timber Crock Log Holder. The Timber Crock Log Holder, as the name suggests, safely and securely holds logs, pallets, and planks while they are being cut using its patented teeth design. It was invented, designed, and manufactured in Ireland. Timber Crock Log Holder's design was copyright approved and patent protected as the original Timber Crock. This tool holds a log without any other support, and its heavy-duty version can grip logs exceeding 20 kilograms. Both eliminate many of the dangers traditionally associated with log cutting and make log cutting a job for one person. As if that's not enough, it also stands higher off the ground, with enough clearance to wheel a small trailer underneath that will catch the falling logs. If you ask me, this is a very convenient and efficient game changer for log cutters. The Multifunctional Hammer. Next, we get into the realm of multifunctionality. This tool would make the ordinary toolbox lonely if it were to replace some of the tools. The multifunctional hammer is designed to serve as a hammer, power nail gun, nail puller, pipe plier, wrench, screwdriver, clamps, pincers, vise, and spanner. Weighing 600 grams, this stainless steel tool's multiple functionalities are adjustable to be able to work on varying materials and sizes. Because of its various and wide application, it is suitable for house furniture repair, outdoor camping, factory processing, and everything in between. The multifunctional Ratchet W with 180 degrees rotating head. Still on multifunctional tools, I found another amazing tool, the multifunctional Ratchet W with 180 degrees rotating head. It comes in two sizes, the 10-inch and the 8-inch. The 10-inch wrench is 260mm long and can reach a maximum opening of 32mm, while the 8-inch wrench has a maximum opening of 24mm at 204mm long. It's made of steel and can be folded up to allow for work in hard-to-reach places. The Ratchet's fixed mode has a tightening feature that can be adjusted continuously while in use, and it has a handy magic button that switches the ratchet on and off to use it as a ratchet wrench or a traditional wrench. Pivot ladder tool. From multifunctionality to simple functionality, we move on to the ProVision Tools Pivot Ladder Tool. The Pivot Ladder Tool is the ultimate ladder accessory. It gives a stable platform for most ladders and works well on uneven ground, making ladder use safer. This tool requires no bolts or clamps, and moving from one ladder to another requires no special equipment. It can be used as a ladder jack indoors and out on rooftops and stairs, as well as a mini shelf for your tools when attached to the ladder. With hundreds of rubber gripper feet made from rugged conveyor belt material, the pivot tool will keep the ladder from slipping. Since we will all have to change a bulb at some point or another, this is a great tool to have. Kexel Montolit Mosaic Glass and Tile Nippers. Another amazing tool I found is the Kexel Montolit Mosaic Glass and Tile Nippers. The Italian company Montolit took the wheeled nipper to a whole new level. These professional level wheel nippers are tough enough to shape marble and porcelain, yet gentle enough for glass. The entire tool is made of steel, tungsten, and titanium, pretty strong materials, so you know they're tough. The nippers have smaller angled wheels for greater material access and straight cuts. The handles are a bit longer at 10 inches to give that little extra leverage needed when cutting harder materials. This one could be reserved for the professionals, but it does belong here. Caspar Hamilton Core Axe. This next tool is a classic example of functional creativity. Imagine having an axe with interchangeable heads. While you imagine that, Caspar Hamilton has already gone ahead and made the Caspar Hamilton Core Axe. This tool package consists of a helve and two interchangeable heads. Its straight shaft helve is made from a carbon fiber and ashwood sandwich to pay homage to the heritage of a traditional axe. The two heads are a 1200 GM felling head and a 1500 GM splitting head, both made out of reheated carbon steel. The weight of the axe is therefore focused at the head, giving greater striking momentum and efficiency when cutting or splitting wood. Each head is specially designed to be optimal for its own different functions. This one seems like the perfect companion for outdoors men and women. Paint edging tool. The next tool will change how you feel about painting edges. The paint edging tool quickly and meticulously paints edges around baseboards, window trims, doors, and ceilings without the mess. The tool has a hollow handle that holds almost 5 ounces of paint. All you need to do is slowly press the trigger to feed paint directly to the paint pad when painting. The pad soaks up the paint evenly to give off consistent paint. Any remaining paint can be squeezed back into the can, which is also very economical. If you want to go pro next time you have a DIY paint project, this is the perfect tool. And when you're done with it, it is easily cleaned by rinsing the tool in and out using water or any cleaning liquid. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and continue watching by clicking on one of the cards on your screen. See you at the next one.